Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are solving a problem number 268, maximum product of three number. This is an easy array problem that teaches an importance of observation about the positive and negative numbers. So let's get started. We are given an integer array. Our task is to find the maximum product that can be obtained by multiplying the three numbers in the array. So let's understand with the example. Suppose the example is given like 1, 2, 3. The possible product is 1 into 2 into 3 is equals to 6. So the answer is 6. So the main important is the maximum product can be come from two different cases. Case 1, the three largest positive numbers. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 into 3 into 2 is equals to 24. Or two smallest negative numbers and the largest positive numbers. So for the example, minus 10, 5 and 2. So the product is minus 10 into 5. So is equals to 500. Because two negative numbers makes the positive. So we must compare the both case. So the approach is simple. First we sort the array. First Now calculate first product. Largest three numbers, second product, smallest two numbers and the largest number. Return the maximum of these two numbers. So let's start with the code. Dot nums dot begin nums dot end int of n equals to numbers dot size return max numbers of 0 into numbers of one array into numbers of n minus 1. Numbers of n minus 1 into numbers of n minus 2 into numbers of n minus 3. So this is the simplest code for this solution. So first we sort the array. Now the smallest numbers are at the begin and the largest number are on the end. Then calculate two products. The first product uses the two smallest integer and the largest integer, and the second product uses the three largest number. Finally, we return the largest value using the max function. So the time complexity is n log n because we sort the array, and the place complexity is O into 1 because no extra space is needed to sort. So that was the solution for 268, maximum product of three number. The key idea is to compare the product of the three largest number with the product of the two smallest number and the largest number. If the explanation helps you, make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel and comment which LeetCode problems you want the next. Thank you for watching.